Ready? Start. Honorable Mr. Chairman, Sir, I support the Constitution Amendment Bill brought by Shri Ram Lal Rahi to introduce a proviso in Article 341 and 342 of the Constitution. This amendment bill has been brought because scheduled castes and scheduled tribes have been suffering from educational, economic and social depravity for centuries. It was with the intention of alleviating the suffering of these people that a provision for reservation was made in the Constitution, and a list of scheduled castes and scheduled tribes was included in Article 341 and 342 of the Constitution. Para. Unfortunately, at some places, only some of the castes were included in the list of scheduled castes and scheduled tribes when the Constitution was being framed in 1947. Some of the better known castes were included, but many of the lesser known subcastes were not included. Belonging to such subcastes are looked down upon, treated as untouchables, but are not included in the list of scheduled castes and tribes. The people of these castes are socially and economically backward, but are denied the facilities due to them. According to a list of scheduled castes and scheduled tribes issued by governors of various states, if a person belonging to a scheduled caste goes to another state to look for employment, he would be denied the facilities available to him in his home state if his caste is not included in the list of the state to which he migrates. Such people who are educationally, socially and economically backward have to face a lot of problems. Para. I am sorry to say that the people who talk of upliftment of the backward classes are not present in the House. If they were truly sympathetic to the problems of the backward classes in their respective constituencies, they would have certainly put forward their views today. Para. Also, a person belonging to a scheduled castes and scheduled tribes should be eligible for similar facilities all over the country. They should not be deprived of facilities like bank loans or scholarships in whichever state they go to. On behalf of my party, I want to submit that various castes should be appended in the Constitution Amendment Bill brought by Shri Rahi. Para. I would like to cite an example related to Rajasthan. There is a caste called Meena in Rajasthan, and this caste has been included in the list of scheduled tribe. But people belonging to Meena caste and living in Delhi, Uttar Pradesh, Madhya Pradesh or Maharashtra are not treated as scheduled tribe. Para. It is urged here that the Security Council resolution gave full mandate to America and called forces to wage a war against Iraq. That is not true. To go to war is at the bottom of the meaning of the Security Council resolution. In the Security Council meeting, why did not out countries' representative work and fight to the last to have peace in Iraq and Kuwait? I am told sanctions which were operating against Iraq earlier were giving the result, so they could have walked waited for 6 months, another 1 or 2 years. It is a ghastly act to see poor children are being killed in Baghdad. There is not milk, water is polluted. Mahatma Gandhi never thought of this when at the Asian Relations Conference in 1946, non-aligned movement got a new direction. This is a situation to which our representatives who are in the United Nations Security Council have brought this country. Para. It is not correct to say that Security Council has given a mandate to go and finish Saddam. I was shocked the other day when I heard Mr. Bush saying that Mr. Saddam must go. Has the Security Council resolution authorized it? No. Para. Coming back to the refueling question, it is really shocking. It is a very sad thing that India, being a champion of non-aligned movement and peace, war planes are allowed to be fueled in India when war was broken out, and they are going to be used in the war. Para. I was at Kanpur and I read in a newspaper that Mr. Akbar said that VP Singh government was responsible for allowing refueling of American planes. I was shocked. The next day I found that Mr. Akbar said it was a joke. Para. Some pressmen asked what would have happened in India if Akbar would have been another Jahangir. I paused for a moment and said, look, come to Lok Sabha and see for yourself what would have happened to India. Para. This sort of cliches do not pay. Playing to the gallery and gimmicks frustrate the hopes of millions of people of India where non-alignment is their faith. We should be very serious. We should not start having politicking on matters which we all agree and which is our own faith and on which our image is likely to be furnished. Para. I will just make proposal. Now, an honorable lady member said that Iraq has agreed to withdraw unconditionally. I am very happy if Saddam Hussein has really done it, but that is not an end of the matter. Stop.